Hello and welcome to Soul Tarot by Nehal. This is going to be a love reading for the period of March 2025 for the zodiac sign Taurus. Please remember this is a general reading and it may or may not resonate with you. If it resonates, let me know in the comments down below. If not, skip this one. If you feel any of your loved ones could benefit from this reading, kindly share the channel with them as well. Sorry, and all the other important links are down in the description below. Kindly do check them out there. So, yes, thank you so much, and let's begin. Okay, so Taurus, I see that there is some forward movement that is happening for you. Maybe there was someone who was, connecting with you. You were talking to someone, and you are currently making a decision of whether to move forward with them or to say a no. Again, this person seems to be someone very. It could be someone very dominating kind of a personality, but that could be because they have been they are self-made, and maybe that is why they have a little bit of an energy of that kind. Not that they are like that, but they may be a self-made person, completely created everything from for themselves, growth oriented and so on. Maybe have it's like they've built the house also by themselves, kind of a person. So hence they may come across at times to dominating and all, but I do see some new beginnings happening for you with this person. What I actually see is that maybe there was someone from the past that left from your life, which and they didn't give you any closure. They left it into cold, they left you into the cold and just left, it's just like cold hearted, where they didn't bother to give you any closure, nothing at all, and just left. So yeah, that's what has happened in your past, and hence you are skeptical about this new person as well. And you are wondering whether you should give this person any space or time to even like give access to you, ideally, in terms of energy, conversations and so on. But yes, there is someone who's coming, that is coming into your life, and you are kind of yet upset with what has happened in the past. You are reminiscing over those things, and that is why you're not able to see anything beyond that. So I would definitely recommend you to just heal what you need to heal and look forward to this new person, because this, whatever it is, but the new person comes, who's coming, could be they could be loyal, they could be honest. So that's what they even look forward to in terms of qualities in their partner, right? So this is definitely a better person to actually have, like, be with, or at least know that person. This person, to a certain degree, may be kind of someone who takes care of their fitness, maybe a little taller also, and maybe they look younger than their age. They may be it's like, I think at least 5-6 years younger than their age is what I feel they must be looking. That is what I feel. They will not be younger to you, but they look younger from their age. So yes, there was some sort of deceive that had happened in the past, and that is what you're looking for at, because you're carrying that energy within you, that you were betrayed maybe by that person. Maybe there was some manipulation, lies, and all of it involved, which maybe with time you realize, or maybe you're questioning that was it all a lie, or what was it. But that person is definitely not, the past person is definitely not the person that you would want into your life. So it's time for you to move forward from there and move on with someone new, because this new person is kind of that person lives a life of a party, like if that makes sense. So they are hardworking and everything, but they even at the same time, maybe someone who enjoys their life, enjoys everything that happens, celebrates and stuff like that. So they have a very good approach towards life as well. And it is time for you to move in that direction. It's time for you to let go that past which was not good, which was bitter, and it's time for you to move in a better direction, because this person is bringing in love for you. This person is definitely willing to do everything for you. And it's like a person who is willing to actually cross oceans for you. That kind of a person, they're coming in speed for that matter. For that for to let you know that this is what they feel. They are going to do everything that's needed to kind of woo you and convince you that they deserve a chance. And of course the choice is eventually yours, whether you want to or not. But yes, it would be wise to at least give them a shot and at least try to know them, and then you can take your decision. Okay, so be confident in your decisions, no matter what. You seem to be having a little bit of confidence that's got affected because of your past experiences. So it's like you need to be confident. You need to look at yourself with confidence. Growth is what I would suggest you to see. Again, yes, new beginnings are there. Hence, oh, okay, yeah, I just saw 9 over here and 9 over here, which means a phase is coming to an end and a new phase is about to begin. Emotionally also, a new phase is about to begin for you. So yes, if you've been staying in a not so good space when it comes to your emotions, I see you regulating your emotions and working on your emotions and then taking your decisions. But yes, you are making decisions which way to go, whether to go with this person or whether to stay single for a while. That kind of decision, yes, you are making. I even see that some of you, if you are trying to heal, spend time in nature, because that's going to help you a lot to heal yourself. So yeah, that is one small suggestion from me. Yes. So again, see, this is coming down to one. So new beginnings here for you. You will be served with everything that you want. This person will really, really take care of all the needs that you need. Like, sorry, all the needs that you have. That could be your emotional, they'll be emotionally available. Financially, they are good. So they will pamper you with, certain gifts and all of it. Whatever you would like, whatever they would like, that is what I see they doing it for you. They are going to be interactive. They may actually be intelligent and hardworking as well. So they will even put effort in this relationship, is what I see that is coming your way. uh, really having a lot of love in their heart. They are amazing. I would really want you to go ahead with this new person, though I never suggest what to do. But I don't know, somehow it just comes to me that I would really want you to give this new person the chance. Really, like you can see the bounce in my voice also, right? As I say this. So yes, tables are about to turn. Things are going to get better for you. If you are someone, yes, who wants to now, like where you're like, okay, now I just don't want too much of exploring, but I'm very sure that I want to settle down and I want to find a person whom I can have a house with, have a family with. Yes, this is the time that you will come across someone. So tables are about to turn and get things in your favor. Let's see what is the possible outcome that is coming your way. My god, so many new beginnings is what I constantly have got in your reading. So it's time for you to take actions instead of, just thinking and staying in the hermit mode, which is here. You need to be action oriented. Whatever you've decided, put it into action. Again, this person is amazing. I would say that, would want to take you around the world, and, has plans, clearly has plans. So yes, that is what also I see. So if at all, I possibly see that you will at least give this person a chance, because if you see over here in the Seven of Cups, it's like someone's offering you different options and you're choosing heart over here. That's the love over here. So you are choosing love over everything else. That is what you're looking for also. You're not looking for materialistic things, you're looking for genuine love, and that is what you're choosing. So, and this person is bringing that for you. So you both are choosing in a way the same thing. You both are looking for the same thing. So yeah, that is a possible outcome that's coming for you. Hide away, make time to be with your person, create your own special hideaways. Butterfly, you will meet a new love interest at a party or a night out, which is, again, I said that you will. Again, I said life of a party some time back. I mentioned that as well. So I guess you understand, right? How the messages are actually there. And something is hidden from you, someone isn't being truthful, so that is coming from the past person, right? I said there was something that, they are lied to, and those things is what you're realizing also in this duration. So those secrets also getting revealed, hence you are a little in a little confused state, time and again reminiscing and thinking about all those memories and all of it. But it's time for you to let them go. Again, I always talk about release. So do release meditations, release all this energy, all these memories from, your system. Of course, it doesn't happen overnight, it is a process, but do it and it will help you. Changing them, trying to change someone never works. Accept them as they are, and or move on. So you need to move on, or, the person that, because that person has left you already. So I don't think it makes time for you to waste time over them. You need to, move on. Practice radical self acceptance and love yourself with all your flaws. So maybe you need to work on the self love journey as well, because maybe that is what you lacked in the past relation, that you kept them, the center of your world, and you, like, you compromised on self love and self care. So that is what also you should get back to. Incomplete, you want someone who completes you, but you need to be whole on your own. So yes, again, I would say the same thing. A strong message of self love and self care is what comes for you. Hopeful, sorry, intensity. So the person, you're maybe yet hopeful about the past person coming back, but it's time for you to let that go. Rather get hopeful about this new connection is what I would say. Because again, are you willing to put the past person in that space? So yes, the past person is coming, but it's up to you whether you forgive or not, because they you are being hopeful, they are coming with a sorry. But again, here it's even mentioning that trying to change someone never works. Accept them as they are or move on. So they are not changed no matter what. So possibly they can repeat what they've repeated or what they've done already, earlier with you, to you. Again, intensity. So this person, the new person, is coming with, with intense feelings towards you. So yes, choice is of course yours, but yes, the past person is coming, you are hopeful about it, is coming with a sorry, but choice again remains in your hand. Okay, long term, all in, invest, having the fortitude to create a lasting love, nurture growth, that is trust, support, playful, attend to your bond with love and patience, stability, poised, calm, steady, finding your balance and not rocking the boat. So I would say this is what I would suggest you to for the new person, that ever after is with the new person more so. But again, whatever you choose is up to you, but like things have been mentioned about the past person, so yes, if you make your choices, but what I see this ever after is with the new person. Nurture growth, so because that is what even the past person, sorry, the new person would want to focus on, that you both grow together. They may want to and you would also need to attend to your bond with love and patience. But if you both manage, because the other person is willing to do it all, if you also manage to put that love and patience, it will be like a nurturing relationship, and will bring stability in your life. Teasing, dangling, partial truths, needing answers, shifting. So this could be teasing is the past person that maybe just again trying to slide into your DMs or teasing you with something so that you can have a conversation. But again, partial truths is only what that person is revealing. Unpredictable, never know what they'll do. Unreliable, live wire, past person, definitely past person, because that's what they did already with you. So again, this is giving a strong message that the past person is still carrying the same energy no matter what, even if they are sorry. Negativity, like a dark cloud above you, are depressed, extreme moods. Of course, you may be upset and so on, so you may be having depressed emotions, I would say sad emotions, extreme sad emotions. And hence you may be in that space of having negative thoughts as well. But again, see, the decision is going to matter, right? If you choose to walk away from the past person, you will have change of energy, change of aura, change of moods as well. That mean this all will lead to change of moods, correct? So yeah, the past person is not bringing something great on you, even if they're sorry. But again, choices of course yours. Let's see what are the other messages. Decisions are definitely being made. Again, forward movement is what I see. So it's time for you to move forward and take the decision of what you want to do. Again, one thing I definitely will. Okay, so I have to give you the message that's coming here is that there is a forward movement. Universe is stepping in and making you realize what you should be choosing, and is showing you the path. The most likely I see is that yes, you're going ahead with a new person, because that person is bringing in happiness, they are bringing stability, love, care, affection, and so on. So there is amazing, and emotional availability is definitely what you're getting with this new person. This is a tower movement. At the same time, it is a lot of things for you is crumbling down, but again, remember, this is giving you an opportunity also to build something the way you want, or build a relationship that's the way you want. So this is what I see, that while the old is crumbling down, you are getting an opportunity to build something new, completely amazing, the way you want. So even if things are coming down, remember that the seeds are already sown for something new for you. So while I was just shuffling these cards, I just got that there would be something really good even coming up for you in terms of in the month of April, because it constantly April kept coming to me even while I was shuffling the cards. So here it says about intimacy, so sexual chemistry, reminiscing. It could be with the old person that you may be reminiscing, but the new chemistry seems to be more interesting. The new person could be an earth sign, fellow earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Again, don't limit it to the signs, but it chances could be high of these signs. Just a few more months, good things come to those who wait. So yes, good things will start happening, with time. Of course, make the right decision, trust your gut feeling, and remember that good things are coming your way. Don't settle for something that you're not sure of. If you feel it's just that you're settling and it's not something really that you would ever settle for otherwise, then just don't settle for it. Just move on and have patience, have faith. Let's see what are the empowering messages coming for you. Blessing, live a blessed life, attraction, divine timing. Again, there is a blessing that's coming your way. Live a blessed life is what it's saying. So yes, if the current life doesn't feel blessed, it is what it is coming, and the universe is asking you to move forward in that direction. Attraction, so yes, that is happening. With this new person, you are also with time going to be strongly attracted to this person. The new person is already attracted to you, so you with time you will also calling in your soul allies ideally. So you could feel that very strong attraction, and you will feel different when you're with this new person. Divine timing, allow things to unfold. So I think this is like going to be a blessing for you. Though you may feel initially that why things ended with the past person, but trust me, the new person is really going to feel like a big blessing to you with time. So just give this a shot if it's so. Again, the past person is coming with a story. You are also hopeful, but decision is of course yours. But there's nothing new that they are doing. They are coming with the same energy at the same. I mean, still they are coming with the same energy. So are they really even sorry? So yes, you figure it out. The decision is entirely in your hand. But if it's resonated, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And see you in the next reading. Bye bye.